Hey, what's up, YouTube?
So we're at the old studio. We're at the park where our old studio used to be at. And all the construction is going on right now, and we're just taking a look of what has been changed, and everything has been taken down pretty much.
It's turning down already. Usually the other one is building right over here. Actually, our studio space, the old one, already turning down already.
So that's where the cafe used to be at, and
one restaurant right over there.
So there's a couple of things you don't touch in China. One is real estate, and the second one is banking system or finance. So for example, like even the business model is so good, just like Jack Mar's what's that thing called? The Ant Finance.
And finance.
Right. It's kind of getting shut down right now.
Yeah.
So these are the two things you kind of don't touch. So our studio is actually that side, but you can see that we don't want to get rolled over, so we're gonna head to the other side. So there are a couple buildings that are still here. We're guessing they're probably just keeping the buildings for now with lawsuits or whatever the resources that they have. But like this is how things are ran here. Like once the other side is completely clear, there's really no point to like keep the building here, and they'll eventually just move. They might settle with like a little bit of money, but normally in this case where not too many like owners are giving like objections and things like that, there's really not that much money in here. So that was just a quick walkthrough of the park where our old studio used to be at. So we have been in the new studio for quite a while now, and the management and just the cleanliness is so much better. Just overall, like everything's running quite a bit smoother, and so that's pretty much it for the old studio. Everything's being mowed down. I guess the point is that just like move on and don't dwell on the problem, right? So that's a lesson. All right, okay, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in another video.